करने से पहले कितनी बातें पता थी आपको डैडी के बारे में?
पहले फिल्म करने से पहले तो जैसे शूटिंग के पहले तो सब कुछ पता था, मगर जब कहानी पे काम कर रहे थे, जब रिसर्च कर रहे थे, तो उस वक्त इतनी जानकारी नहीं थी। जानते थे कौन है, मगर क्या बीती उन पे, क्या उनकी ज़िंदगी थी, जैसे उसके अंदर हम घुसते गए, जैसे और निकालते गए, तो इतना मटेरियल बाहर निकल के आता है कि हम सोच रहे थे कि यार इसको अभी हम 2 घंटे 10 मिनट में कैसे दिखाएंगे, कैसे भर पाएंगे, क्योंकि इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है। और क्या है कि उनकी जो कनेक्ट है लोगों के साथ, वो उसको हम जस्टिफाई करना चाहते थे। वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, सिर्फ उनके लिए नहीं मगर लोगों के लिए भी जो उनके साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं। तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी था कि उनके क्या रिश्ते थे, कैसे लोग थे उनके इर्द गिर्द, और किस तरीके से उन्होंने गियर चेंज किया अपनी ज़िंदगी में, और इतना कुछ किया एक ही ज़िंदगी में। आई थिंक टू पुट ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज द चैलेंज, मगर इन्फॉर्मेशन तो ढेर सारा।
प्रमोट करने के लिए तगड़ी चाल जाने वाले हैं आप।
इंडस्ट्री में बहुत से थ्रेड आते हैं, आपको धमकियां वगैरह आते हैं, तो जब आप मूवी कर रहे थे ऐसे कुछ आई थी धमकी?
अभी मैं अरुण गावली हूँ, मेरे को कौन धमकी देगा?
अर्जुन, आप दोनों से जानना चाहिए क्योंकि आप लोग डैडी से मिले भी थे, तो वहाँ से ऐसा कुछ ऐसा कुछ आया था कि फिल्म में ये पार्ट जरूर होना चाहिए या इस तरह का जरूर दिखाया जाना चाहिए, वहाँ से ऐसा कुछ आया था कि ये जरूर दिखाया जाना चाहिए?
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला कि जो भी दिखाओ सच दिखाओ, और जितना सच दिखा सकते हो, क्योंकि वो जब मैं उनसे अभी मिला हूँ, वो उस टाइम पे पता नहीं क्या था, मगर वो तो हमारी इमेजिनेशन है, मगर जो अब उनसे जो मुलाकात हुई है, आई सी हिम एज अ वेरी नॉर्मल, वेरी गुड पर्सन, एंड इज़ अ डिफरेंट पर्सन। मैं जब दगड़ी चौल गया हूँ औशम के साथ भी, वहाँ पर 1000 लोग खड़े रहते हैं, उनको मिलने के लिए, उनका आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए। तो ही ऑब्वियसली हैज़ डन एंड टच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइव्स, वो ऐसे ही एमएलए नहीं बने, वो जीते हैं। तो ये सब है अभी फिल्म में, मगर आप देखेगा I think Ashim should answer that question, because if he had not made up his mind, maybe I would not have been part of this film also. I actually started working on the script myself for the first time, and I started, penning a kind of a story down, and I needed help. And at that time, I spoke to Ashim, and then when we both started putting our heads together, I think that's where it all started from. The excitement that we could feel while doing it, while we were working together, that wow, man, this can be really something very special as a movie.
See, I think one thing I want to add, I think just a little thing, that I think Arun Gawli gave us a lot of freedom, बहुत ही freedom मिला. We've got a lot of freedom to work on this film. There was no such thing के ये डालना है, वो डालना है, tell my story, make me a hero. I think that's what I really appreciated about him. That he said, just tell it the way it should be told. I don't want to make myself heroic. I don't want to, so I think that is given as a filmmaker. It's not a propaganda film. We're not trying to show him in a particular way. We're trying to show him as a father, as a gangster, as in many different ways. And I think that's what makes this film very exciting.
How you build Arjun into that character? How you build Arjun into that character?
How did I build Arjun into? I think Arjun and I came from the same place. I think we never planned to work on it. It was an accident. He talked to me. He said, listen, I'd love to work with you. He said, I have a project. Do you think you'd be interested? We started talking about it. I told him, Arjun, I said, I don't want to make a hero film about a gangster. I want to make a film that shows all kinds of sides, And he said, but that's exactly what I want to do. I want to do something completely different, something that's never been done before in India. So I thought, yeah, this sounds like something which is an amazing opportunity to do something fresh. So.
Like we all know him as a gangster, but are you trying to highlight the good things that he did and change his image?
No, that's exactly what I don't want to do. I want you to understand him as a character, as a person, as a life. Right? We can say good and bad. People for me are not reduced to only good and bad. It's also 40, 50 years of a life. How do you say that 40 years of experiences is good or bad? It's 40 years of experiences, and that can be both good and bad.
And the tagline which is there, the one who did not run, is that a reference to Dawood Hussain by any chance?
That I think.
No, I think, see, the only one who didn't run is because that is the truth. From that world, okay, everybody has run away. Okay, and everybody did go away. And he's the only one who stuck here, stayed here. Because, and if you hear his talks, you know, or you hear the way he speaks to people, you know, when he's addressed people in his speeches and all of that, he says, I love my country, I want to be here, I want to do something for it.
Yeah.
He is connected with his land, you know what I mean? He is uncomfortable being out of India. It's not so, obviously there's something which is not that selfish, which comes out of that.
Ashim, the teaser also reminds me of Dayawan. Please make me correct if I'm wrong somewhere. Bellu Naikan, or you know, the film which is done by Firoz Khan Sahab. Have you taken some reference? It also reminds us, you know, image of a Robin Hood guy. You know, though he belongs to a gangster, though he's a gangster, but still a Robin Hood.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of films that are
There's
in
a
my
lot
mind,
of,
you know.
there are
But
a lot of things
yeah.
of, these are folk tales, you know what I
Yeah.
mean, where you say Robin Hood and this, but you've seen all of that. I promise you, when you see Daddy, this is just the teaser. Trailer abhi baki hai, aur fir picture to baki hai. Okay, but when you see the film, you will see different aspects, as Oshim said. It's not just about being there for, you know, a span of 8 years or 5 years, with a rise and fall, you know. It's not about that. It's about a journey of a life which spanned over, I would say, 5 decades, over 50 years. And I think that's what's interesting.
हाँ। जी। Correct. हाँ, मकरन मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, और जब मैंने देखा था कि उन्होंने जो फिल्म दगड़ी चौल में उनका जो गेटअप था, उनका जो लुक था, वो वाकई में कमाल का था, तो डेफिनेटली मैंने बोला यार अभी इसने ये कर दिया है तो यू नो हम कैसे कर पाएंगे, यू नो. ओशिम ऑल्सो हैड सीन इट एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. मगर हमारी फिल्म बहुत अलग है. दिस इज़ अ ट्रू बायोपिक, यू नो. इट इज़ अ ट्रू स्टोरी. And we have got, you know, the blessings of the family to go and tell that story. Dagdi Chaul was about him being shown just as a character. It was not about his story. So I think this is the first one that you will see him as a biopic, in a biopic, to be made like that.
तगड़ी चाल में जाने वाले आप फिल्म को प्रमोट करने के लिए?
यार मेरा तो आना जाना अभी होता ही रहता है दगड़ी चौल में. यू नो, अभी दोस्त बन गए उनके फैमिली, वहाँ के दगड़ी चौल के जो लोग हैं, डैडी के जितने दोस्त हैं, यू नो, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी थी उनके बारे में, वो सब रहते हैं वहाँ पर, और उन सब का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. हम सब शुक्रगुजार हैं कि हम उनकी नवरात्रि में भी गए थे, मगर उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ क्योंकि उनके जो इन्फॉर्मेशन था, जो सपोर्ट था, उसके बगैर तो ये फिल्म बनी नहीं पाती.
ओके अर्जुन, पूरे देश में नेशनल एंथम कंपलसरी कर दिया गया है सिनेमा घरों में, कितनी अच्छी बात है. इस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
अरे अच्छी बात है यार. वी ऑल आर इंडियंस, और गर्व से नेशनल एंथम गाना चाहिए हम सबको.
Arjun, you also have to learn Marathi for the film. Did you also learn?
Yeah, I did have to, you know, train a bit in Marathi. But I think let's talk about all of that later, about the preparation and all of that.
ओके अरुण, कभी आपको दिखाने का प्लान है क्या टीजर, या उनको किसी माध्यम से पहुंचाने की कोशिश?
यार अभी वो सब मैं नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, मगर हाँ, but I would love to show it to him. He has been a huge, tremendous support, and of course we will show him the whole film, not just the teaser.
Thank you.
Thank you.